In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show calendar within email view panel in Outlook 365. If you've ever tried to check your availability while replying to an email, you know how handy it is to have your calendar right beside your inbox. That's exactly what we're setting up today in Outlook on the web, so you can view your schedule without leaving your mail. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account and password, then let the page load to your mailbox. Once you're on the site, make sure you're actually in the mail experience. If you happen to land in Calendar or another app, just switch back to mail using the app switcher or the left sidebar so that your inbox is front and center. Now look to the top right corner of the screen for the My Day icon. It's typically near the search bar and looks like a small panel icon you can toggle. Click it once and a slim panel will slide in from the right side of your email view. This is the My Day pane, and designed to keep your most important info within reach while you work through messages. Inside My Day, you'll see two main tabs, one for tasks and one for your schedule. Click the Calendar tab. As soon as you do, Outlook will display a compact calendar view right alongside your emails. You can navigate between days, see what's coming up, and check your free and busy times without switching away from the message you're reading. It's a great way to confirm a meeting time quickly or to keep an eye on what's next as you reply to people. A couple of tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see My Day, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out a bit since the icon can collapse on smaller screens. If the panel gets in your way, click the My Day icon again to hide it. Click it once more when you want it back. And if the panel opens to tasks by default, simply switch back to the Calendar tab whenever you need your schedule view. That's all you need to do. Go to outlook.live.com, ensure you're in mail, open the My Day panel at the top right, and select the Calendar tab. With that set, you'll have your calendar visible right inside the email view panel, making it easier to plan and respond with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined workflow.